Anatomy and physiology of the ear. Parts and functions of the outer ear. The helix, the scaffold fossa, the antihelix, the antitragus, the triangular fossa, concha, tragus, and lobule. The functions of the outer ear. The pinna, which is composed of cartilage, helps to localize sound. The external auditory meatus, also known as the EAM, is part of the outer ear too. It extends from the pinna to the tympanic membrane, 26 millimeters long, 7 millimeters in diameter. It is known to protect the eardrum because wax is found here. It is a resonator. It transduces sound vibration into your ear, and because of this, there is a 10 decibel gain. The eardrum, otherwise known as a tympanic membrane, consists of the posterior fold, pars flaccida, the incus, the umbo, the annulus, the pars tensa, cone of light, manubrium of Malus, short process of Malus, anterior fold, pars flaccida. It is the barrier between the outer ear and middle ear. It transduces sound vibrations from the air into the middle ear. Here is the middle ear. It consists of the eardrum, the malleus, the incus, the stapes, the stapedius muscle, stapes, foot plate, oval windle, eustachius tube. The middle ear transduces vibration energy into mechanical energy. You may ask yourself, how does the middle ear transduce vibration energy to the mechanical energy? Well, first, the eardrum vibrates when sound hits it. The ossicles amplify vibrations. The oval windle transfers vibration to the cochlea, and the eustachius tube equalizes air pressure. Now we will go on to the inner ear. The inner ear consists of the cochlea, the oval window, the round window, the ampulla, vestibular, posterior semicircular canal, post-semicircular duct, superior supracircular canal, superior semicircular duct, horizontal semicircular canal, horizontal semicircular duct, and it also includes paralymph and endolymph. The inner ear converts mechanical sound waves to neural impulses that can be recognized by the brain for hearing and balance. Now, how does the inner ear transduce mechanical sound waves? First, the cochlea detects vibrations and converts to nerve impulses. Second, the auditory nerve carries nerve impulses to brain. Then the semicircular canal helps the body in balance.